Hey everyone, how's it going? So before this video gets started, if you want to save money on gas, if you're still paying full price for gas and you feel like you're still spending too much money on gas, there's a way to get 15 cents off per gallon if you use my code and link in the description down below for an app called GetUpside. Again, if you use my special promo code, you'll get 15 cents off per gallon. All of my friends use it, all of us use it. It's a new app. And I honestly can't believe that more people aren't using it. So if you haven't started yet using it, or at least try it out once and get 15 cents off per gallon. And then for life, you'll get discounts on your gas. And if you can refer a couple of your friends to use your code and link too, you can get up to 99 cents off per gallon, even more. It's crazy. You'll never have to pay full price for gas again. Use the link in the description down below for GetUpside. All right, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. I know it's been a while since I've sat down and talked with you guys. I know my hair's crazy. I didn't need a haircut. I might braid it. I might dye it rainbow for a TikTok. I don't know. If you guys haven't been following me yet on TikTok, I definitely recommend following me. For some reason, I have over 400,000 followers. I think I'm at like 480,000 followers on TikTok. I'll leave a link down below if you want to check me out on there. It's pretty fun. I make dumb videos. They're not rideshare related, fair warning. But anyways, today's video, I'm talking about Uber's paid sick leave program. I know like it's kind of done, but I think you could maybe still get it. But it's only for active drivers who are like doing rides actively, who actually do get sick. But anyways, there is some data that was released that Uber only gave paid sick leave to less than 1% of drivers. Now, before I get into the article, I just want to really encourage you guys, if you're paying full price for gas still, check out GetUpside, use the link down below. I know I've been plugging a lot, but honestly guys, 15 cents per gallon off if you use my code and link, and then future discounts for life. So every single time you go and fill up, you will get discounts. Honestly, it's crazy that this app even exists and you know, more people aren't using it. I want to get every single person to not pay full price for gas. You know, screw it. Why should we pay full price for gas when there's ways to get discounts? So use the link in the description down below and my code as well to get the 15 cents off. So here we go. This is an article, CNET. So CNET is very official, very legit. They go, Uber has paid out $19 million in aid to drivers, but it's not enough. That sounds like a big number, but it's not enough to help the company's 1.3 million North American drivers amid the coronavirus pandemic. So there are 1.3 million drivers. Uber, the CEO, officially announced that the number of drivers. For a while we didn't know, but he wrote the letter to Trump and he said, you know, hey, we have 1.3 million drivers. So we're like, oh, now we know, less 1%. So times are tough for ride-hailing companies, which means things are likely twice as tough for the drivers who depend on the income from driving. Uber, a company notorious for fighting tooth and nail to keep its drivers from becoming classified, announced on Thursday that it spent $19 million on coronavirus relief for drivers around the world, half of which went to workers in the US and Canada. This may sound good, but it's barely a drop in the bucket for a company that saw over $14 billion. So in over $14 billion, so here we go, here are the numbers. This is how I calculated the less 1%, by the way, guys. They go, $19 million of financial assistance works out to approximately $650 for every driver of the 12,350 that qualified in the US. So out of 1.3 million drivers, only 12,000 of them, 12,350 qualified. So let's do some quick math here. What is it? 12,350 divided by 1.3 million equals 0.0095. So that works out to 0.0095. So that's less than 1%. Anyways, back to the article. To complicate things further, Uber tailored payments to those 12,350 drivers by not only the area in which they live, but also on their prior earnings. Even with that, many drivers have taken to various forms to criticize the company for making that money difficult to get. You guys know me. That money was almost impossible to get, and they were deactivating so many drivers who applied for it and literally was just leaving drivers on red, like not answering their phones, telling them, oh yeah, we'll email you back. Didn't get an email at all. I even asked for it. They like sent me a random email that didn't even have any info to do with it. And I had a follow-up call. I know some drivers, they went to their local media and had like the local media reach out to Uber, and that at that point only got the article, got the money. So it's crazy how difficult they made it to get. In less than 1%, I mean, Uber got away with this, guys. Like, Uber got away with only spending $19 million. They only spent $19 million when their annual revenue in the 1 year alone made $14 billion. You think about how much money drivers make for Uber, like how much, you know, in rides, over $14 billion in revenue, and Uber's like, oh yeah, let's give them 19 million bucks. Let's just do some quick math here. What is 19 million divided by, what was that number again? 14 billion. I just want to see, oh, it doesn't go that much, but yeah, again, that's even what is that, like 0.01%? I gotta do this on Bing really quick. So 19 million, right? 19 million divided by, is it 14 billion? Was that the number? 14 billion. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's what it is, right? Is that 1%? 1, 4, comma, yeah, 1.4 billion. So yeah, about 1% of Uber's revenue for the whole year they paid out to drivers, which is absolutely nothing. So I just want to raise that question to you guys. Is that enough? Was that enough money to give drivers some financial assistance? And as we all know, the US taxpayers bailed out Uber, Lyft, and all these gig companies. Who's paying for Uber drivers and Lyft drivers' unemployment? Not Uber and Lyft. It comes directly out of our taxes as US taxpayers and the government. So Uber and Lyft really got it out easily. And the company just basically gave Uber a huge grant to, it was like a government contract to help with deliveries and stuff. So the government's basically just, like Uber and Lyft really got bailed out easily, big in this stuff. So I just want to share this art, share these numbers with you guys and hear your guys' feedback. So let me know. Again, use the link in the description down below for GetUpside to get that gas discount, 15 cents off per gallon. And if you refer 6 or 7 friends, you'll get 99 cents off per gallon. It's really simple, really easy. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching today's video. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.